school is where we learn and play, meet our friends and smile each day. Clean and green, safe and bright, caring and kind, we do what's right. Our school, our happy place, filled with smiles in every space. We learn, we play, we care and share. Our happy school is ours to care for. Save water every day, turn off taps and fix leaks right away. Collect rainwater, use it with care. Water is precious, so let's always share. Save electricity, switch off the lights, turn off fans when they're not in sight. Use only what we really need, care for Earth through every deed. Plant green trees and help them grow, protect the plants and animals we know. Trees give shade and clean the air, homes for birds and insects they share. Keep our school clean every day, put waste in the proper way. Wet waste here, dry waste there, reuse and recycle with care. Clean toilets and water safe, good hygiene in every place. Swach Bharat, Swach Vidyalaya helps us keep our school a cleaner way. Water watchers check the taps, electricity savers switch off lamps. Green guardians care for trees, waste warriors keep litter away. Traffic trackers watch their days, baby, everyone's safe is great. Windows bring fresh air inside, white roofs keep the heat outside. Black surfaces absorb more heat, cool green schools are clean and neat. Follow traffic rules every day, watch the signs and cross the safe way. Keep our school gates safe and clear, so every child can walk without fear. If there is a fire, stay calm and still, move to the exit as we're told. Stay low under smoke, cover your mouth, never hide or run about. Go to the assembly point, tell teachers if someone is hurt or gone. Never go back inside again, stay safe with teachers and friends. Wait your turn and speak with care, use kind words and learn to share. Help others, respect everyone, include and support everyone. Save water, plant a tree, keep our school clean and green. Be safe, be kind and always care. Our happy school is ours to share.